रुक कर लेते हैं बड़ी खबर की ओर। इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर आपको बताते हैं, दिल्ली में जीएसटी काउंसिल की बैठक खत्म हो गई। जीएसटी पर मोदी सरकार का ये बड़ा फैसला। अब जीएसटी के सिर्फ 2 ही स्लैब होंगे। सूत्रों के हवाले से आपको इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर बता रहे हैं। जीएसटी में 12% और 28% का स्लैब खत्म कर दिया गया है। सूत्र के हवाले से ये जानकारी मिल रही है। जीएसटी में अब सिर्फ 5% और 18% स्लैब ही होंगे। आपको दिखाते हैं क्या कुछ कहा गया है।
Now I request the Honorable Minister to brief the media about the decision taken today at the GST Council meeting. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, and I thank the media for having come in so late. We concluded the meeting, and from there we have come here. And let me start by saying the Honorable Prime Minister actually set the tone for the next generation reforms on the 15th of August when he spoke from the Red Fort. So, and he desired that we give the benefit to the people at the earliest. He mentioned Deepavali, but I'll go through the decisions in detail a bit, but this reform is not just on rationalizing rates. It's also on structural reforms. It's also on ease of living, so that businesses can do their business of working together with the GST with a great ease. So we have corrected inverted duty structure problems. We've resolved classification related issues, and we have ensured that there will be stability and predictability about the GST. Rate rationalization, of course. We've reduced the slabs. There shall be only 2 slabs, and we are addressing also the issues of compensation cess. Ease of living, simplifying registration, return filing, and refunds. I'm not getting into greater details. You'll get to know about it. But then these reforms have been carried out with a focus on the common man. Every tax levied on common man's daily use items have gone through a rigorous looking into, and in most cases the rates have come down drastically. Labor intensive industries have been given a good support. Farmers and agriculture as a whole will also benefit by the decisions we have taken today. Health related also will benefit. So the key drivers of economy have been given a prominence. And much before I get into the details, I want to thank every member of the GST Council, every finance minister who attended the GST Council today. There was no absence. Everyone was present. We've had a day-long intense discussion, but I'm grateful to each one of them. At the end of the day, they said, we're all together for the sake of the common man. एक भी रिजर्वेशन के साथ नहीं समर्थन किए, मगर पूर्ण मन से भरपूर सपोर्ट दिए हर राज्य के वित्त मंत्री। इसीलिए मैं जीएसटी काउंसिल को आभार कहना चाह रही हूँ कि लंबा चौड़ा डिस्कशन चला आज, मगर आखिर हर मेंबर इसके लिए समर्थन दिए। इसीलिए मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाह रही हूँ। इधर उधर के छोटे छोटे बात हो सकता है, मगर कंप्लीटली रेट रैशनलाइजेशन में सभी मंत्रीगण समर्थन दिए। एंड मैं इस विषय में आभार पहले व्यक्त करना चाह रही हूँ माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को, क्योंकि पहले से ऑलमोस्ट फॉर 8-9 months ही इज बीन आफ्टर मी सेइंग आप कुछ जीएसटी में राहत दिलाओ जनता के लिए। उसका इंटेंसिव वर्क किए। हमारे एमओएस कॉम्पनसेशन सेस के ऊपर शेयर कर रहे थे ग्रुप ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स. ही वर्कड वेरी हार्ड विद ऑल ऑफ देम. Samrat Chaudhary ji worked on the rate rationalization, and not only the chair but the members of each of these GOM have worked very hard. I am absolutely appreciative of